welcome back to my channel. Today is a vlog day and this is my first vlog ever, and I'll be going to Runaway Bay. Let me introduce my niece. This is Kavian. Say hi everyone. What? Say hi everyone. Hi YouTube. Okay, good girl. Say, bye YouTube.
Bye YouTube.
Okay, sorry about that. She will not be coming with me. Yes, baby. I'm talking to the camera. Give me one moment. Okay, baby? So, shh, be quiet. Do you want a snack? We have a snack in the meantime. Thank you. Sorry about that, guys. So, yeah, like I mentioned, this is my first vlog, and I'll be going to the Runaway Bay. Yeah, I'll be going down to Runaway Bay, and the resort that I'll be going to is the Bahia Principe. Yeah, so I've been to this resort. Actually, this would be my second time. The first time I went there was just a few months ago. I think probably around 4 or 5 months ago. So this time around, it's a birthday weekend. My friend Chris' birthday weekend. They're already down there partying a storm, and I'll be heading down there now. I'm actually pretty late. It's after 1 right now, so I'm gonna take the highway, of course, and we are gonna head down there together. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoy. Please remember to share, subscribe, like, comment, and also check out my first video. I'll be linking it down in the description box. It's a cooking time with me. So yeah, stay tuned and let's go. Hey guys, welcome back. So I just started the toll, and so I'm on my way to Runaway, well, Ocherius now. And then how long is the resort from the toll? I think like 20 minutes or half an hour. I don't remember. Let's see. Guys, so they just took my bags. I'm gonna go find a parking spot and come up back to the lobby. I should probably go find a parking spot now. I'm gonna guess so. Let me go. I will leave a car door. No sir. Hey guys, so I'm now in the room. Just gonna do a little mini tour, not too much, not too long. So as we enter the room, there's the bath area. Have the bath right there. A little small, but it's I'm the only person in the room, so I'm good. And have the, let me turn off the light right here. The amenities here. And then we'll have the blow dryer there. Okay, not bad. It's mirror doing my makeup. And got lots of towels and ooh, I can relax tonight in this. Not bad. Hey guys, so I'm all dressed and ready for the pool. I love this. This is a cute fit. And this is definitely cute. What do you guys think? Don't mind this, okay? Don't mind the belly fat. But this is cute.
Get there for days, you know. Look, I get there for days. Okay, birthday king.
And I treat you like a man I'm supposed to. You know I have to try. Yes. When we get my first number one, fly also my one. From me I come from. No love someone I'm putting up. I believe the haters them did that. When I went to my shoes with it up. What you say, cartel fans? Cartel fans say yeah!
Yeah!
Mama, no,
Hey guys, what's up? So I just got dressed and I'm going to dinner right now. He's waiting already. They're downstairs at dinner. And so yeah, this is my cute fit for tonight. Oh wow.
Happy birthday! Hey, wait, we're off key.
No, that will
They're off key. After 3. 1, 2.
3.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Somebody have a clap. Oh God, I'm gonna stick to the regular version.
That's right.
Yeah, I think we should stick to the regular version.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Are you 1? Are you 2?
Are you 3?
Are you 4? Are you 3?
Are you 40, Master?
Alright, so
Hey y'all, what's going on? So I'm just coming back from dinner and I changed my clothes, put on something a little more comfortable because we'll be going to the club. Tonight was supposed to be a beach event, but because of the rain and everything, so I'm dressed for the club, as you can see. So I'm ready for the club, ready for the club, ready for the club, ready for the club. Hey, morning guys. So this morning is a rainy ass morning. Again, it's raining again. Last night the rain fell and now it is raining like crazy. So my plans for the beach this morning is out of Ipanong. It's still pretty early. I think it's like after 9 o'clock right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get some coffee. Don't want any breakfast. Gonna get some coffee and just go down by the bar. Hey, cute. Where am I going? So I'm gonna grab me my coffee right now, guys. It's almost checkout time. It's like literally 15 minutes before checkout time, so I just wanted to come down here because I didn't get to do that this morning. Hey guys, what's going on? So let me give you an update. I just checked out and checkout time is at 12 o'clock, right? So I went ahead and checked out, and then I was advised that
I'll have to leave the resort at 12 o'clock, or if I'd like to stay, I would have to pay to stay up until 3 p.m. I was like, wait, what? What? She said, yes. So I asked her, when was this implemented? She said it was implemented at the start of the year. So I say, and I asked her, how much is it? She said 20 US for adults. I think 20 or 25, something US for adults. And then for children, it's 50% off. I am not coming back here. Yeah, they won't be seeing my face here anymore either way. Yeah, guys. So anyways, this is the end of my vlog. I'll be heading home now because, girl, I'm not paying no $20 US. You stay where? I'm not getting no lobster and shrimp. And I say go. No. So yeah, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, all of that. I appreciate you guys.